In this tutorial, I'm walking you through the Weebly theme editor. So if you've used Weebly already, you know that you can tweak the design, the layout, the look and feel of your form using our AI or doing it manually. But if you like to build many forms using the same style, then inside of our theme editor, you can create a team-wide theme that you can then apply to your forms without having to redo them every time or without having to copy your forms and then changing the content. So I'm going to show you how it works, and then we'll see when we create a form how to actually apply it. So if you are in your dashboard, you have two tabs. You have a Forms tab and you have a Themes tab, and this is where you can create a theme. So there's two ways: either you start from scratch or you import your branding if you already have a brand. So for example, let's say that we're doing the theming of Nike. We just import nike.com, and if the brand is known, which is not always the case, you'll get a logo, you'll get a visual, and you'll get the color branding. So a couple of things you'll notice right here. This is not a form. This is just a preview of what all of our form elements will look like in your theme. So you can't add form elements. This is just for you to figure out like, okay, this is how my theme will actually look like. And our AI is tweaked to only change theme related stuff. So there's no point in trying to change the form. That's not the point. We're changing the theme right here. So AI is the same as in our just form editor. So there's no point in sort of running through it. You can ask it to change stuff, or you can do it manually. So basically you have all of your colors right here. That's pretty self-explanatory. You can change the typography. You can change the layout. So if you always want to have the top visual, for example, in your forms, that's where you change it. So you can toggle the logo, you can change the size of it, and of course you can change the alignment of your logo as well. If you really want to go into the details, there's an advanced tab where you can add custom CSS, it's paying feature though. You can change the look and feel of the input, so going from default rounded to square inputs, and the same with buttons. Let's scroll down so we see the buttons. So you can have your square buttons, rounded buttons, or default, and you can even change the animation when you hover over the buttons. And then finally you can change the form width and the spacing of your form as well. So this is the more advanced functionality. Most of what you'll need is right here. And so once you have your theme ready, you can just head back over to themes, and then you can select the default theme. So we're going to choose our Nike theme right here. And now when I create a new form, automatically this form will be using the Nike theme. So this is what we see right here, right? So we have our visual, we have our logo, and then there's no content yet, but of course the content will be tailored accordingly. And then of course, if you check your templates, you can see it right here. So this is the Nike theme that we just created, but there's also already a Weebly theme that I created previously. So that's how you use the theme editor inside of Weebly AI. If you like these kind of videos and tutorials, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to the channel.